Hey guys, welcome back to Beno's Sister Malka's channel. And today I'm going to share with you this really fun game. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to point out is look how cute. It comes all wrapped up in this pull string bag. Just to note, it is a long cord, so keep it out of reach of kids because we don't want to be the one, Anyway, so it's really simple. You take the cord, whoop, and that's kind of it. The game is actually contained in here and played in here. So that's another thing I love. So you open it up as such. And now we have a fishing pond. And the fishing pond, this comes with the instructions. I'll go through it once. The instructions are really easy. So just a recommendation, like it's, put them on the side or something. You don't really need them every time you play. So that's just, if you don't want to keep it in here, want to make this accessible to the kids, good job. So anyway, for the instructions, it also comes with 2 fishing rods, which if there are any OTs watching this, this is great. Not only are you teaching your kids visual motor and like fine motor skills, they're learning. So let's get to the learning. So again, these are your traditional fishing rods, and the kids pick up the cute, adorable fish. Totally like that. Now on to the fish. As you can see, there are tons of fish, and they're played in here, which is the pond. Just to note, the pond is a little floppy. You could see it right here. This is the only thing I would say that, not the greatest, not the worst, but, if you are one of those super picky people, just keep that in mind. Again, for me, it doesn't bother me. Anyway, so you have fish. There are addition, subtraction. They come in yellow. They come in red. They come in this nice navy. They come in purple. So, and green. Let's not forget the greens. So this game right here is super cute, super attractive, as you can see here. I mean, the screen is colored in colors, sorry. And kids love colors. So that's something I totally like. And last, it comes with these 2 cute dice. So stay tuned, because I'm going to show you 2 things. The first thing is how the kids play it, according to the rules. And the second thing is how we play it, because I'm always into changing the game to increase learning. So the game is really simple. You take 1 or 2 dice. Again, that depends on the age of the kid. You roll it, and you can either look for a number that ends with, I rolled 6, or I did 6 plus 8. Find the total, and just like it says, go fishing. It happens to be 6 plus 8 is right here, and I win the fish. And again, you keep going round and round and round until, every player has a fish. Totally cool, totally easy. Now, I like to increase the knowledge, so here's another way to play. I'll move all the fish to the side of the pond, and I will place 4 fish. We start with 4 because I really, really want the kids to work together and understand the math. And I find you start with less and increase. I put out 7 minus 6. I put out 0 plus 4. I put out 1 plus 3. And just to note, this activity is so much fun because kids could do it by themselves. You show them once and let them take the learning from there. And 5 minus 2. Now, whoever's going first will give an answer. Let's say they say 4. So I'm going to look at the 4 here. And, oh look, 1 plus 3 is 4. How easy was that? And as the kids learn more, or their visual skills get better, then you can increase the grid. So, educational opinion on this game? 1 for I love it, 2 for and 3 for no. I'm giving this game a 1, because this is my favorite part. I mean, if you have games and you try to game school your kids, you can know firsthand that you take one game and it is all over the place. You're like, oh no! But this game, look at this. Put all the pieces in the middle, including the rods. Look at that. The rods fit in. Throw in the 2 dice, and no cleanup at all. So yeah, I like this game. This game is from Game Note. I highly recommend it because it is the best way to review addition and subtraction. You can do one-on-one with the kids. You can teach the kids and they can review with their friends. And this is definitely a game worth checking out. If you have any questions on this game, Check me out on Instagram, where I'll do my best to answer all your questions. And if you would like to learn more about this game, because Game Note has a few other fun games, then don't forget to follow me and check out the link so you can see this game as well as the other games by Game Note. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Happy playing!